Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and setup tutorial for the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So I have a bunch of different accessories I bought for my GoPro, like this Max Grip tripod that looks really cool, and then the Max Lens mod, which will allow me to completely rotate my GoPro upside down like this, and it will keep the horizon lock absolutely level no matter what rotation or position my GoPro is in, as well as the media mod so I can connect an external microphone. Also, the media mod itself comes with a microphone, so I thought I'd give that a try. Then I have this SD card that I'm going to be plugging into my GoPro, so I'll keep that to the side. Also, I bought some additional batteries. So let's unbox my GoPro. It comes with a nice case that I may or may not use depending. I have a case already for my GoPro Hero 5. So let's quickly unzip this and see what's inside. Boom, here we go. We have the GoPro right away. We can see it. Then we have a bunch of different stuff. So I'm going to have to go ahead and get the application on my phone at some point so I can update the software on my GoPro. So go to the GoPro app in the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store. Then insert your battery, charge your battery, and turn it on. Then here's just a quick manual. So let's take out the GoPro right now and set it up. Looks like we got some plastic over the camera lens. And then the back display also has some plastic over it. Now to open up the battery port, it's a little bit different than my GoPro Hero 5. I have to push down on this and then pull up. And then we can see the battery port. So here's my battery right here. Let's take it out of the plastic and put it in my GoPro. Now looking inside the GoPro, it looks like this is the way to do it. So these teeth should be pointing upward. So let's put that in, and it slides in, and it is flat. Okay, so let's close this. So now that we have the battery in, looks like at any point in time we want to charge your GoPro, that is where we're going to have to charge it from, this USB-C port right here. So we do have a cable for that. So we're going to be charging a GoPro just like this. We'll plug it in, or if we're connecting it to our computer. And it looks like we do get some mounts. So we have some 3M tape on the back of this. We can slide this right on top of it. Now to slide the GoPro on top of it, you have to lift up. So this connects just like this. We'll slide in, push this back down. There we go. Boom, now it's completely secured. And one thing they did with the GoPro Hero 9 over my model is these actually come down. So they got rid of the cases and you just connect your GoPro directly to any kind of mount. So let's connect this real quick. Perfect, so it's going to work just like that. So this is what it looks like with my GoPro just sitting in. Now let's go ahead and turn on my GoPro. Now it does not have an internal SD card when you go ahead and buy it, so you do have to go ahead and get something like this and place it in. So I'm going to turn on my GoPro first by pressing and holding the power button down on the side, located right here, and this is what my GoPro looks like. Let's scroll up and go to English, select that, and go to OK. Then I'm going to agree to this. The terms of use. Turn on tag your footage with location, speed, altitude, and more. I'm going to say, well, let's turn that off. Now once you install the GoPro app on your phone to finish the setup, leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. Go to my phone. Now locate the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Mine is just on top. If you don't know how to find that, swipe up, then go to search and just type in Play Store. And it should display. So here's Play Store. Now it says we have to go to the GoPro app. So let's go to the top again and go to GoPro. And it should pop up, GoPro The app actually says GoPro Quick Video plus Photo. Let's go to Open or install it. I already have this on my phone. So let's go ahead and get started. Now you can sign in if you want. I'm just going to bypass that and select the camera in the upper right side of the screen. Now I already have my GoPro Hero 5 displaying right here. We want to add a new camera. So there's a plus icon up top or over here. Let's select that with the camera and it's searching for cameras. Alright, so it found my GoPro Hero 9 Black. Let's go to Connect. So let's go to OK to pair the device. And now my camera is paired. So it found my GoPro. Looks like I have very low battery. So you may want to go ahead and charge that before you go through the app and set everything up in case the battery dies on you. So let's name my GoPro, GoPro Tim. Alright, I'm just going to leave as is. So let's go. Now with the application you can control your GoPro. However, before you do that, you will need to update your camera. So let's go to Update Camera. And then press Update Camera. And it's reconnecting here. My GoPro just shut off. Now before you can update your camera, you're going to have to insert your micro SD card and make sure there's enough storage and charge your battery. So let's go ahead and do that now. So let's insert my micro SD card into my GoPro. Okay, so let's put in the SD card. Now it's located right next to the battery on the side. You can see it. There's a small slot. I'm going to take out the battery so it's a little bit easier to see. There's a small slot right here. Now I'm going to slide my micro SD card right into that slot. It's a lot easier to do it without the battery in. And it should click into place. Now to take it out at any point in time, you're going to have to click it down and it'll pop out a couple centimeters. And you can just grab it from there and it'll come out. So let's make sure it's in. Now let's charge my battery. Okay, so I was able to install the update and it's still continuing to install. It says, please toggle off and on your phone's Wi-Fi. Your GoPro will power off and on a few times. When the update is complete, your camera screen will return to normal. So, got it. So let's go to control your GoPro. Enable preview. We'll connect to the GoPro Wi-Fi to enable preview. Got it. Alright, so I'm now able to use the phone app. You can see it on the screen wherever I turn my GoPro. So if you flip your GoPro up and down like this, it will take up the entire screen. And this will make taking pictures that are in the format of your phone much easier when you do it on your GoPro. So you can take pictures from your phone, record, set up a live event if you want to live stream. And they make it real easy with this app now. Okay, so now I'm going to do a quick overview of how to operate the GoPro's menus. So there is a display on the front. You can see me. Hi. So that's really cool. Makes live streaming or doing any kind of video or photography real easy. You can see yourself and center yourself in the frame. So the basics of the menu is, if you want to get to the preferences or the settings, you're going to swipe down from the top. Now if you're under the screen and you swipe right, you'll get your connections if you want to connect a new device. And just go through here and you can reset your connections at any point in time. And then here's settings or preferences. You can go through here and set up the way you want. But here is the general settings for the GoPro. Now if you press the power button once, you'll return to the main GoPro screen where you can capture quickly. Now if you want to look at your recent captures, go back to this screen where you can see everything on your GoPro and swipe up from the bottom. And here is my video that I just recorded. Now I can go to the right and go to the next one. I can press the power button and return back to the screen. Now when I'm on the screen, if I want to go from video to photo, all I have to do is swipe left or right. It'll bring me to the screen. If I just hold down on the screen under here, I can swipe over to video, I can swipe over to photo, and I can go through the different setup for my photo and add different settings if I press that. And there's a couple different just presets on here. So it says burst, live burst, photo. I can go to the edit setting, video mode. If I just press right here where it says cinematic, I highlight that blue. I can go to the different options in here. So the standard is 1080p at 60 frames per second. So if I select that, that is now my default setting. So just play around with this and get it the way you want. And to turn off your GoPro completely, just hold down the power button right here and it should turn off. So my GoPro is powering off. So hopefully this quick setup video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more GoPro tech out videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.